So let's see how can I change the color of theme. So this here is black. Whenever we are writing anything, then display as like black and white. So how can I change this theme of color? So go first of all you have to go to the file file, and you can see here there is a multiple option: helps, terminal, run and go, and view, selection and edit and file. So in VS Code we I'm going to change the theme of color of VS Code. So click on file, and after that go to the preference which is given here, and after that go to the color theme. You can direct come here with the help of Control plus K and Control plus T. But as a beginner, I am suggest you you come with the help of step by step. So click on file, and after that you come preferences and color theme. After that you will see here three major option. One is the light theme, other is a dark theme, and third one is the high contrast theme. So there is a three major option. So I am on the dark theme, so is highlighted here. So when I will go on the light, then you can see here there is a changes in theme of VS Code. So light visual study code, so default code, default and quit light and solarized light. So all these are light. Another is abyss, dark, dark plus, which is default, and kimi, dark, and monokai and dim. So this is a dark theme major option comes in the, and other is a red, solarized dark, tomorrow light, the blue, high contrast. So you can see here VR comes on the three major options: high contrast, install, color themes. So there is a multiple option. You can select according to you. So I am going to choose here light, which is best for the eyes, as you know, and I am select the light theme of the Visual Studio Code. So today is enough for the tool of the selection VS Code theme. Thank you. Goodbye.